Welcome to new video 2025. The Fiat 126 bis is a reimagined version of the iconic 126 from the 1970s and 80s, blending retro charm with cutting-edge technology. Designed for urban mobility, it retains the compact, boxy silhouette of the original while incorporating modern automotive advancements for eco-conscious city dwellers. Exterior design. The new Fiat 126 bis maintains its classic proportions, with a slightly wider stance for improved stability. The front features sleek LED headlights integrated into a minimalist fascia, paying homage to the original's simple design. The grille is replaced by an illuminated Fiat logo, emphasizing its electric powertrain. The car sits on stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, and its sharp body lines enhance aerodynamics without compromising the nostalgic appeal. A two-tone paint scheme, inspired by vintage Fiat models, gives it a playful yet sophisticated look. Interior design. Inside, the 2025 Fiat 126 bis combines functionality with modern comfort. The minimalist dashboard features a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Fiat's proprietary urban mobility app. Behind the retro-inspired two-spoke steering wheel lies a fully digital driver display providing customizable readouts for speed, range, and navigation. The cabin's materials are eco-friendly, using recycled plastics, sustainable textiles, and vegan leather. The compact dimensions of the 126 bis allow seating for four, with improved ergonomics and folding rear seats for added practicality. The panoramic sunroof fills the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space despite its small size. Technology and performance. The 126 bis is powered by an all-electric drivetrain, offering a range of up to 200 miles on a single charge, ideal for urban and suburban use. It supports fast charging capabilities, providing 80% battery in just 30 minutes. A compact 50 kWh battery is strategically placed to maximize interior space and lower the center of gravity for a more agile driving experience. Driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors, making it a smart choice for navigating tight city streets. Its compact dimensions make parking a breeze, while its silent electric motor ensures a peaceful ride. Conclusion. The 2025 Fiat 126 bis perfectly balances nostalgia and innovation. It's a stylish, eco-friendly urban vehicle with all the modern conveniences, paying tribute to its heritage while looking firmly toward the future.